Yes.
Okay, this is the course description about language assessment. I'll make it clearer. Of course, this is to provide students with knowledge and skill in language test construction and assessment, meaning that you need to be able to make a test because you are from teacher training and education program. You must be able to make test construction, and there are so many tests here, and also you can make assessment. Remember your requirement here, the first attendance, I mean your score depend on this one, your qualification depend on regular attendance and then active participant in the class, sometimes in discussion and sometimes in question and answer, and also homework and quizzes. And of course, there is also mid semester and final examination. This is the percentage. Okay, this is the tentative schedule. This is the list of material, but the schedule depend on the situation. Sometimes one topic need longer, sometimes need shorter, but this is the topic. The first is about introduction, evaluation, measurement, and test, definition and usage of the test. So here you must understand at the end of this meeting, you must understand introduction, evaluation, measurement, test, and also using the test. And then number 2 is about the place of the test, I mean the position of the test. And we will also try to understand and make testing grammatical structure, testing vocabulary, testing reading, writing, speaking, and listening. So remember that all of us from English department, FKIP Unmu Jember, you need to be able to make this kind of test. As a teacher, you must make any type of the test. So we will study and then we will make, discuss, and the last you can submit your work related to making the test. And also, this is number 7. Number 8, we will study about scoring the test and interpreting the score. In Indonesia, it is a technique to menilai, memberikan nilai. It is scoring the test and interpreting the test. So there are many types how to give the test. We will discuss next time. And then also, we will know whether a test is qualified, good quality or low quality. We will test some item like this. The first item test analysis, including difficulty level, meaning that how difficult the test. For example, if you teach present tense for senior high school, it is different from present tense for elementary school. And this is about this difficulty level. And also when you teach about how to make a kinds of essay from elementary school will be different from university student. And then the following is discriminating power, whether the test can differentiate the lower and upper group, and also distractor analysis. For example, you make multiple choice. When you make A, B, C, or D, of course, there are special way. Besides that, we will also study about test validity, whether your test is valid or not. This is called validity. In bahasa Indonesia, sometimes ketepatan. For example, if only you want to test the student ability to speak, do not ask them to write. For example, please write the conversation between a teacher and the student. It is not speaking test, but it is writing. Although you say, please make conversation in writing with teacher and the student. It means not valid, but we'll study more next. And also we will study about reliability, meaning that in bahasa Indonesia it called acek, meaning that consistent, it was reliability. How to test this one, we will have the material next time. And also constructing and administering the test. Constructing is that you make test item. Everyone must be able to make tests and also implement this test and process from the first test until the end in the form of score. So to make score is not so simple. Actually, you need a special way to do that. And this one is the reference. Reference meaning that this is some of the books. Okay, excuse me, wait a moment. Hello. Salah. Okay, I go on. This is the book that you can use. Okay, this is some book, sometimes from article. You can portray this one. So Douglas Brown, and then also Born Testing Language Program, Understanding Developing Language Testing, and Burhan Rudantoro, it is in Bahasa Indonesia, Bahasa dan Sastra. This book will be used for one of the basics for all them, but we can also use other book, at least including the topics. So you can use other book, but the topic is number 1 until number 12. This is the plan of our material. Do you have any question? No question. Okay. If my planning is that today I just show you what we will study, and if only there is no problem, so next week we will start our program. In this case, I will show you the way how teaching learning process happen. It's like this. Of course, like this one, teaching and learning process is sometimes the content is done by lecturer, meaning that I will explain to you how to understand this one. But sometimes, especially for developing tests, you make and discuss with your friend. I will evaluate you, especially in the form of this one. Testing grammatical, testing reading, testing writing, testing speaking, testing listening. I will give the material, and then you and group discuss together, and then you present in front of the class, explain to your friend, until your friend understand. Like texting, reading, writing, speaking, listening, and also grammar and vocabulary. You will do this. And sometime related to the concept of scoring testing, I will explain to you, and also we will discuss in the class. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think for material is just this. The material is easy. We can study in about 4 months, and I hope all you will finish this one. Remember, at the end of this course, you must be able to make test item because you will be a teacher. Is there any question? Just now I see Salwa, do you come? Hello. There is a chat that Salwa come, but I do not see you. What is Salwa? Salwa, do you come?
Iya, Pak.
I want to know which one is you. Yang lain sudah muncul tadi, Salwa belum plus. You must show your face so that I know that is really you, bukan rekamannya. Hello Salma, can you listen me? Salma masih mau mandi. Biar aja lah, sudah tidak ada itu. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think we can meet now. And yeah, actually like this, there is some problem related to technology. It's better for us to study language assessment really in the class because it will be comprehensible and it is easily to understand. Okay, if there's no question, we can stop until now. See you next week. But remember, our time is very limited because it is in Ramadan. So it is at 10 o'clock until 11:30, just this. But in the next time after Hari Raya, we will study longer to make it everything all right. Okay, I think for this meeting is enough. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, Salwa sudah muncul.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Ya.